The next topic is the polluted soils. Soil pollution is the part of the land degradation which is caused by the presence of xenobiotic chemicals or the other alteration in the natural soil environment. Whatever the soil pollution, it is the part of the land degradation of the land which is caused by the presence of xenobiotic, that is the human made chemicals or the other alterations in the natural soil environment is known as the soil pollution. It is typically caused by the industrial activities, agricultural chemicals, or improper disposal of the waste material. Whatever the soil pollution or the soil degradation which is caused, it is caused by the various industrial activities. As we know, these industries, while manufacturing, gives out the waste water or the waste chemicals, as well as various types of the agriculture chemicals which are used for control of the pest diseases or the weeds, or improper disposal of the waste from the urban area, it will cause the soil pollution. If we see the sources of the pollution, soil is the main source of the pollution through the air gases and contaminants which are emitted from the exhaust. Whatever the air gases or the contaminants which are emitted from the exhaust of the industries or the vehicles causes the pollution. Secondly, through the drainage system, whatever the drainage system particularly followed in the urban areas, it gives the soil pollution. Through the dumped solid materials like refuges from the mines, animal slurries, or the sewage and sludge. Whatever the dumped solid materials, it also causes the soil pollution. Secondly, the source of the pollution is the water. As we know, water has the unique property of the dissolving all type of the industrial byproducts, various kinds of the pesticides, chemical fertilizers, due to which this water becomes polluted, and if we use this waste water, it will give the pollution to the soil. Soil pollution is the degradation of the soil caused by the presence of xenobiotic, that is the human made chemicals or the other alterations in the natural soil environment, which is caused by the industrial activities, agriculture chemicals, or the improper disposal of the waste material. If we see the sources of the pollution, soil and water are the main source for the pollution of the environment. If we see the kinds of the soil pollution or the types of the soil pollution, pesticides, as we know, various kinds of the pesticides are used by the farmers, which are applied for the control of the various diseases or the pest. It will cause the soil, it gets applied in the field, on the crop, and it gets accumulated in the soil, which causes the soil pollution. Inorganic contaminants, mostly the heavy metals. Various industries gives out their waste material, which will consist of the heavy metals, and these inorganic contaminants gives the soil pollution. Thirdly, the organic waste, whatever the municipal waste from the urban area or the industrial waste, these also gives the soil pollution. Fertilizers and other salts. As we know, the farmers are applying the various kinds of the fertilizers to supply the nutrients to the crop. But in addition to supply of the nutrients which are required by the plants, other material is also added along with these fertilizers as well as the other salts, and it will give the soil pollution. Radionuclides, particularly from the industries which are related with the nuclides, this gives out the waste material as a radionuclides, which is also responsible for the soil pollution. Acid rain, when chemical reactions involved in the acid rain, as we know, various kinds of the gases these are given out in the environment, and as and when there will be the rain, that gases gets dissolved in the rainwater, and it will give the formation of the acid rain. Thus, pesticides, inorganic contaminants, organic waste from the municipal and industrial waste, fertilizers and other salts, or the radionuclides are the kinds of the soil pollution. Then we will see the soil pollutants. In that, the first important soil pollutant is the agricultural pesticides, which are used by the farmers. The organic waste material, particularly from the urban areas, heavy metals, which is the byproduct of the industries, fertilizers used by the farmers. In addition to the nutrients, the other material is added in the soil, which causes the pollution. Radionuclides from the industries, acid rain, all these are the soil pollutants. Then we will see what are the preventive control measures for soil pollution. We can reduce the chemical fertilizers and pesticides use, and this can be replaced by the biofertilizers as well as the biopesticides or the bioagents. We can apply the biofertilizers and manures. It will help to reduce the chemical fertilizers as well as the pesticides use. Biological method of the pest control can also reduce the use of the pesticides and thereby minimize the soil pollution. If we see the preventive control measures, most of the soil pollution takes place through the agricultural pesticides used by the farmers. And if we replace these chemical fertilizers and pesticides by the biofertilizers or by the biological methods of the pest controls, then it will help to minimize the soil pollution. Water pollution, as we have seen, this water is the universal dissolver and cleaner, must periodically be cleaned itself before it becomes reusable. A good quality water becomes wastewater through the dissolution of the different detergent, chemicals, pesticides, and other industrial effluents. When this wastewater is used for the irrigation purpose and others, it becomes a serious problem resulting in the water pollution. As this water is the universal dissolver, various kinds of the detergents, chemicals, or the pesticides, industrial effluents, these get added in the water, they get dissolved in the water. And if this water is used for the irrigation purpose, then it becomes the serious problem of the water pollution, which may cause the danger to the soil as well as danger to the human health. Water pollution, if we see the definition of the water pollution, the impairment of the water quality from its normal water quality is evaluated by its aesthetic, physical, chemical, and biological properties, which get influenced by the agricultural, industrial, as well as anthropogenic use, is known as the water pollution. Whatever the properties of the water which are changed or influenced by the agricultural, industrial, or the anthropogenic, that is the effect of the human activities, is known as the water pollution. If we see the sources of the water pollution, some of the important sources of the water pollution is the domestic effluents and sewage. Whatever the domestic effluents as well as the sewage water collected from the city areas, urban areas, it act as a source of the water pollution. Industrial effluents given out by the various industries also act as a source of the water pollution. Agricultural effluents also act as a source of the water pollution. Radioactive waste from the industries as well as the thermal pollution and oil pollution are the sources of the water pollution. Oil pollution particularly, it occurs in the sea. As and when the sea, various kinds of these ships, they are carrying the oils, and if there is leakage in the ships, that oil gets spread on the sea water and it causes the oil pollution in the water. Similarly, thermal pollution, due to increasing the temperature, it causes the thermal pollution. Thus, these domestic effluents and sewage, industrial effluents, agricultural effluents, radioactive waste, thermal pollution, and oil pollution are the sources of the water pollution. Then we will see the causes of the water pollution. Industrial waste material which is added in the water, in the flowing water, causes the water pollution. Sewage and wastewater added in the water or flowing water. Then mining activities also cause the water pollution. Marine dumping also causes the water pollution. Accidental oil leakages in the seas through the ships also causes the water pollution. Burning of the fossil fuels also causes the water pollution, as well as various kinds of the chemical fertilizers and pesticides. All these are the causes of the water pollution. Then remedial control measures of the water pollution. We can go for the municipal wastewater treatment. Whatever the sewage which is collected from the urban areas, if that sewage is collected in the water tank and if it is treated and then it is used again for the irrigation purpose or the other purposes, we can avoid the water pollution by installing the municipal wastewater treatment plants, on-site sanitization and safety managed sanitization, particularly in the industries. We can go for the on-site sanitization and safety managed sanitization so that it will help to reduce the water pollution. Industrial wastewater treatment. Most of the effluents given out by the industries, if it is treated and then it is dumped in the flowing water, then it will help to reduce the water pollution. Hence, whatever the different industries which are installed, they need to have their own wastewater treatment plants. And unless and until this water is treated in these wastewater treatment plants, it should not be given out by the industries. Agricultural waste management treatment. Whatever the waste, agricultural waste, this also needs to be carry out the various management and treatment so that it will help to reduce the water pollution. Erosion and sediment control from the construction sites. As we know, in the slopy lands, particularly in the heavy rainfall areas with higher intensity and higher duration, it will causes the erosion. And due to detachment of the soil particles, this sediment will be carried out along with this water and deposited in the water storage tanks. Thus, it gives the water pollution. And hence, we need to adopt the erosion control measures or the sediment control measures from the construction site or from the locations where this erosion takes place to minimize the water pollution. Then control of the urban runoff, whatever the urban runoff or the urban sewage, that also needs to be controlled to minimize the water pollution. If we see the questions which are asked on this topic, we may be asked what is soil pollution, give the sources and kinds of the soil pollution, state the different soil pollutants and give the preventive control measures for the soil pollution. What is water pollution? Give the sources of the water pollution, state the causes of the water pollution and give the remedial measures to control the water pollution. This is all about regarding this topic.